My name is Cindy Liu. I'm the co-head of Global Account Management from Banking Circle. It's good to have Jin here today from XTransfer.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's Jin here from XTransfer. I'm the managing director for XTransfer EMEA areas.
Thank you, Jin, for the interview today. It has been a great collaboration recently onboarded with Banking Circle. Can you tell us a bit more of how XTransfer is and what's your strategy of this year?
Sure. XTransfer is a fintech company which focuses very much on the financial payment, risk management, and customer service. The company originated from China, and after 7 years development, the company already have 450,000 merchants on board, and making us one of the biggest B2B payment service provider in Asia. And we have office around the world, like in Australia, Netherlands, UK, United States, Singapore. And we are targeting at SMEs, helping them make global payment more effectively.
Amazing. So far, how do you find the integration and how's the journey with Banking Circle, and how do you find our product solutions can help with XTransfer?
Sure. Banking Circle is one of the pioneers in the fintech industry, so we are very happy with the cooperation so far. We have three main advantages when we cooperate with the Banking Circle. First is local collections, which is very much appreciated by our merchants. And the second one is actually the customer service. Banking Circle have a very dedicated team to service XTransfer along the journey because we are the clients and we also have clients behind us. The caring is very important. The last thing is the global skills network of Banking Circle. We appreciate it very much in terms of Europe, Middle East, and in Asia corridors. Very nice.
Very nice, thank you. And in terms of you mentioned about Asia, so what is the priority country for you for the next second half of the year? Anything we can help with from Banking Circle side?
Sure. In terms of Asia countries, we already very active cooperating with Banking Circle, and now we are looking at Australia and also Singapore and more or less Southeast Asia countries. If we have more cooperation opportunities there, will be fantastic.
Amazing, thank you. I think, that's the beauty of Banking Circle. Once you integrate with us, there's more countries or currencies that become available. You'll be helping we extend the partnership as well with you guys. Yeah, that's great. So in terms of on the Europe side, I know you hired a lot of people also presently as well in Europe. Is there any more kind of development on this side? But also on the instant payment scheme, like what we have in SEPA and faster payments, anything you feel like a Banking Circle could bring to you?
Sure, this is actually two questions.
Yes.
Well, for Europe itself, XTransfer is very much committed to the market. We believe the trade between this, from Asia to Europe, will keep on increasing in terms of volumes and quality. And we are very much dedicated to the market. So that's why we are organizing local teams here from the Netherlands. And we are covering to the rest of the Europe countries. And the second part is cooperate with the Banking Circle itself. Banking Circle have very strong footage in the market already. And if we cooperate with the Banking Circle, we'll speed up our globalization plan. And we are very much looking for the cooperation with the Banking Circle in terms of products and in terms of the service and also the country coverage.
Amazing, thank you. Thanks a lot. The other question is, what do you think the fintech space, what's kind of the market trend that leads to next step?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Actually, also asked by a lot of regulators how the fintechs looking at the trends of the fintech itself. We feel there's lots of trends in AI technology and everything, which can help a fintech to detect fraud and prevent risk. And also, this helps banks a lot because with the new technology brings in, and we can bring a lot of small to medium-sized companies which are underserved by traditional banks, which we do believe is a good trend. The second thing is with the fintech itself, the more cooperation with the bank, also Banking Circle, this kind of new age fintech banks will help the whole banking industry going forward to this hack the new technology and look into the future. We believe there's a strong cooperation trends between fintechs and banks, especially in Europe.
Thank you. There's loads of happening with the SEPA instant scheme in Europe. As you also, XTransfer is one of the leading ones in Europe as well. So what do you think about the instant payment scheme can make change to the payment in the payment industry?
Yeah, it's very much development of the EU. not just instant payment, also with the PSD3, all the regulations by the European Central Bank and also adapted by local supervisors. We are very much looking at opportunities for the payment industries because with the innovation, we can bring more convenience to the SMEs or clients on behalf of, behind us. And when we are cooperating with the banking circle, we can speed up the whole process because you are already pioneer in its perspectives, and we can integrate with our in-house technology in terms of like AI, risk detections, and also along the procedures help a lot of the SMEs to prevent the risk, which we considered as an advantage because of faster payments. For SMEs, liquidity is the issue. With instant payment, can improve the liquidity levels. In that perspective, if you look at the whole regulation behind, we think it's a win-win situation for both parties.
Absolutely, I think I totally agree. I think with lots of the banks providers, if you have a multi-banks providers, and if it's like have to do cross-border payments, the time is longer, and also the liquidity cut-off time is a different cut-off time. And if it has to be instant, it's a great, definitely for the both banks and the PSPs. Yeah. With our POBO solution, which I know we only started the business, but so far I think one of the unique POBO on payment on behalf of solution to our fintech partners is also can be able to pay out in the instant or the local rails, which I think is our like really advantage compared with other traditional banks. How do you feel of the so far the journey is with Banking Circle?
So far, so good. And we are, like I mentioned previously, we are very much appreciated the dedicated service of Banking Circle. We think that's very important in terms of our clients even. And also, the Banking Circle is quite a pioneer in certain technology, like what you mentioned, PayPal, which is give great transparency in terms of compliance and also customer benefits. So we find the balance between these two parts is very important for our clients and also for XTransfer going forward.
That's really good. And also on the FX is very interesting. I know XTransfer offer really competitive pricing to your customer, and also the way you set up, I think is really transparent as well to your customer. How do you feel like our FX API and all the rate works, the whole setup works for your clients so far?
This was something I like about Banking Circle. With one API, you can connect with multiple channels and multiple solutions. And with the FX part, right now, I think we have around 10 different currency pairs with Banking Circle. So far, everything runs smoothly. And we do see the trends, the clients use more and more XTransfer products, which, back to back is Banking Circle's service offering. Yeah.
That's really good. That's more like definitely more the merry. The more the merry is what we want to hear from XTransfer. That's excellent. Thank you, Jin. Thanks for your time, and looking forward to our collaboration, and hopefully with some more good news to hear from XTransfer as well. Looking forward to our next chapter.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.